Welcome to the first of 5 videos in Mapping Your Community. This training video series is intended to assist local governments in Oregon's metropolitan areas with identifying and mapping geographic areas with significantly disproportionate concentrations of underserved populations to address new state requirements related to conducting a major equity analysis in the transportation planning rules. These videos accompany the Guide to Exploring and Mapping Community, which provides detailed step-by-step instructions for exploring your community's demographics and producing maps showing disproportionate concentrations of underserved populations. These training videos will utilize tools developed as part of DLCD's Equitable Engagement Toolkit, which was created to help local governments better include everyone in the land use planning process, especially underserved and underrepresented communities. The tools covered in this video series include the Community Explorer dashboard, an interactive mapping tool that allows you to explore your community's demographics, and the Community Explorer web map, which allows you to create and save maps of the same demographic variables you explored in the dashboard. Links to these tools are available on DLCD's Equitable Engagement Toolkit webpage, which is linked in the description below. The transportation planning rules require jurisdictions to map geographic areas with significantly disproportionate concentrations of underserved populations. For reference, the applicable administrative rules governing this requirement are on screen here. They are Section 0125, Underserved Populations. This section provides a definition for underserved populations. Section 0130, Decision Making with Underserved Populations. This section describes requirements for including community in the planning process, and Section 0135, Equity Analysis. This section describes the process for improving outcomes for underserved populations. It includes both engagement-focused equity analysis and a major equity analysis. The next 4 videos will provide step-by-step instructions for identifying areas with significantly disproportionate concentrations of underserved populations in your community and using a web map to create and save maps that will help you to update your transportation system plan. Part 1 will show you how to use the Community Explorer dashboard to explore demographics in your community. Part 2 will show you how to open and prepare the Community Explorer web map. Part 3 will show you how to create a map of an underserved population. And finally, Part 4 will show you how to save and print your map. DLCD is providing these training videos and the accompanying guide as part of their technical assistance program. This guidance is a resource both for cities required to meet requirements in the transportation planning rules and for those wanting to enhance their community engagement. This guidance is intended to assist in the interpretation of an administrative rule, but does not itself have the force of rule. This guidance includes recommendations that are one way to be consistent with the rules, but other data sources and methods are also allowable. Now, please continue to Part 2 to learn how to use the Community Explorer dashboard.